Hello everyone. Uh, we are actually going to solve first order logic, all the possible. So, there are 32 PYQs in the gate. So currently I am using Go Overflows. So, I'll give you every answer with proper reasoning and how the answers are made and how you can learn and understand first order logic in a very simple way. So, we have the first question. So, it says symbolize the expression every mother loves her children. Okay, there are many answers in this case, but a plausible answer would be what you have to do is you have to create, say, m of x. What does this represent? So m of x means mother of x, mother x. Okay, now you can say love x means x love children, or to be precise, her children. So like this, we can create the symbolic expression like this. For all x, m of x implies hello x. That means every mother loves her children. So this is also one plausible answers. There are many answers actually, but this one is like the easiest one to do. Thank you.